back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cotton candy. Before I begin, I want to give you some general knowledge about cotton candy. Cotton candy was first invented in 1897 by a dentist named William Marsden with the help of his fellow friend and confectioner John C. Warthorn. So they didn't actually create cotton candy, but they made the electronic candy machine. This device rapidly spun a melted candy and made it very fluffy and almost 70% air. So when was the first cotton candy made? How did it taste? How was it made? Did it taste the same? And many such questions will be answered here and in this video. So some people believe that the invention of cotton candy dated all the way back to Italy in the 15th century. Now, this is not like the modern cotton candy. It did not have as fine strings and had a more of a thread-like structure. So, to understand a little more about this ancient cotton candy, let us do a comparison between modern cotton candy and ancient cotton candy. Before we begin, let us learn how to make ancient cotton candy. So, the ingredients that we need to make ancient cotton candy are sugar and water. So the process is as follows. So now I have some sugar and some water with me. So let's add it. We need approximately 3 tablespoons of sugar. So I think that's about 3 tablespoons. And we need 1 tablespoon of water. Just 1 tablespoon. Yeah. So this goes in the ratio 3:1. Now we need to boil it over a boiler. So you need to put it over the pan until it comes like kind of like this consistency, so that it forms these kind of strings. Mine burnt a little, but you don't need it. Initially, you don't need it this much. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a fork and we're going to put these strings over a pan. This is going to help us make some cotton candy. So now I have a plate with my ancient cotton candy and our modern cotton candy. As you can see, though the strings of the ancient cotton candy are thin, they're not as fine and thin as our modern cotton candy. This has really gained a cotton-like texture, whereas if you compare it with ancient cotton candy, it looks kind of like fiberglass. So I have just tasted both the ancient cotton candy and the modern cotton candy. When I tasted the ancient cotton candy, it's more of a very sugary-like flavor and it does not melt as easily as our modern cotton candy. It takes a little, you need to bite it a bit and it's a little hard to swallow, but the ancient cotton candy just disappears as you place it in your mouth and you can swallow it easily. So I have 2 glasses here, both half filled with water, and we're going to see the solubility. So I'm going to pop this inside the glass of water, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. I'm just going to give it a little stir. And now the water is colored blue. I'm going to add the ancient cotton candy in. So it actually is staying pretty much the same. It's changing a little bit of the color, but it's not completely dissolving. I'm gonna see this after 5 minutes and come back to you. So it's been around 5 minutes and I was able to dissolve most of it in here, but it definitely took way more time to dissolve than our modern cotton candy. Modern cotton candy just dissolved in a matter of seconds, whereas this took over 5 minutes. So therefore we can say that the solubility of ancient cotton candy and modern cotton candy is also very different. So as we have learned today, the size and shape and texture of modern cotton candy is different from ancient cotton candy. Their solubility is very different and their taste also varies, and they also have many different differences in their physical composition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and gained some knowledge about where cotton candy originated from and some differences between ancient and modern cotton candy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!